So now most of us are pro at packing our travel cases for vacation, trips and treks, etc. Now there is already a plethora of information available on how to pack our travel bags, beauty bags or makeup bags. But what is more important is that are we even concerned about our first aid kit or about our daily pills and medications or even a dental kit? So here I am today sharing a few of my tips and tricks on how to pack your dental kit or a dental pouch. So let's see what's there inside. So first, of course, and foremost is a toothbrush. But the toothbrush has to be stored in a case while traveling. Please do not randomly throw your toothbrush in your airbag. It tends to carry a lot of dust and dirt, which is not good. So while traveling, you have to store your toothbrush in a case, toothbrush case. Up next is your toothpaste. Of course, you need a toothpaste. I would recommend you to carry a small toothpaste which will just serve the purpose for that limited period of time. Huge toothpaste generally have a lot of weight also and might take some place for storage. So it is advisable to carry a small version of your toothpaste. What is next? Next is, of course, a dental floss. It is the most important tool I would definitely recommend. So while on vacations or even on office trips, we tend to binge eat a lot, try different multiple cuisines. There is nothing wrong in that, but make sure that you enjoy that feast and at the same time take care of your oral health also. So dental floss is absolutely must. So next is a mouthwash. Now mouthwash is optional. I would not recommend to carry it compulsorily, but just in case you're traveling for long hours, it can just help you in little bit of mouth freshening. So generally, if you follow all your oral health routine, proper hygiene, you definitely don't need a mouthwash. So what is next is a tongue scraper. Now tongue scraper is equally important just like your toothbrush. Generally we don't know that a white coating or any kind of coating on your tongue stings a lot and that gives like a bad breath. So make it a habit to clean your tongue while traveling, not traveling. So make it a habit to keep your tongue clean and use a tongue scraper every day. Next is a gel. Now, because of the hectic schedules and travels and improper dietary habits and all those things, there is a tendency that we get uh, at times mouth ulcers. These are also called as stress ulcers. Now, generally, these ulcers are self-healing and they do heal within 5 to 6 days. But just in case if there is a lot of pain or discomfort, a gel is a very good option to relieve that pain and enjoy your meals and everything. But it has to be prescribed by your dentist only, even though it is available over the counter. I would definitely urge everyone to get a recommended or a prescribed gel from your dentist only. Next is of course your pills. Now again, pills is also something which has to be prescribed by your dentist. If you're planning to travel immediately, so make sure you visit your dentist, get a thorough checkup done, and just in case if you anticipate any kind of pain, your dentist will prescribe a painkiller or any medications required according to your oral health type. Please do not self-medicate in any condition. It is absolutely wrong because most of the times we have a tendency to just pop a combi plan for any kind of body ache, but that does not suffice most of the times in your toothache, and then you tend to pop more and more such pills, which is absolutely wrong. So please get a prescribed medication by your dentist only. Up next is sugar-free chewing gum. Now, while traveling by air, we tend to get something called as aeroplane ear. What does that mean? Now, because of the unequal air pressures at high altitude, we generally feel a little bit stuffiness or blockages in our air. That is because of the air pressure changes. So what is the solution for that? If you have a sugar-free chewing gum, you keep on chewing that and swallowing it. So it helps to open those eardrums and immediately gives relief from that barotrauma. Next and last is a lip balm. Now, a lip balm is something which most of the dentists or the doctors would even recommend because it helps to keep your lips moisturized and healthy and lubricated, and it prevents any kind of drying or cracking. So, any lip balm which contains all natural ingredients is something which I would definitely recommend. So that was all about what's in my dental bag. I hope all those little tips and tricks were useful, and for your future vacations, it would save definitely a lot of time.